Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure all of you will agree that water stains on the shower door are not fun, especially not when it comes to cleaning. I wanted to show you in this video how I clean my shower doors and how I make them sparkly clean. Another thing I wanted to share with you in this video is how I clean my shower from the inside, and especially how I clean the bottom of my shower. As you can see, I have very beautiful tiles on the bottom of my shower, but there is a problem. This tile has a lot of grout, and grout collects dirt very quickly. Every week, at least once, I have to clean these tiles, and if I use the regular cleaning solution that I use for everyday cleaning, it's not enough. So once a month, I have to clean this thoroughly, and I'm going to show you in this video how I do that. And no, I don't let my shower get this dirty all the time. For the purpose of this video, I let it get dirty as much as it can so I can show you what a difference is going to make when I use the cleaning product and how effective it is. So stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and watch the magic unfold. The things that I'm going to be using for this cleaning are gloves, any brush that you have, old toothbrush for small spaces, and then good old bleach. Yes, that's what I'm going to be using. I know it doesn't smell the best, but it works. Also, you can use this abrasive cleaner, or you can use Barkeeper's Friend. Another thing I'm going to be using, especially for my tiles around the shower, is this Lysol. And I actually use this all Febreze bottle to put the solution in. Okay, let's get started. First, I pour the bleach on the bottom of my shower, and this one has a lemon scent, so it's not as bad. And I pour the Ajax on top of it. I leave it for a couple of minutes and then start scrubbing. For the most part, the dirt comes pretty easily. There are a few spots that I had to scrub it a little more, but overall it comes off pretty easily. Please tell me in the comments what products do you use for your shower. I would like to hear it from you. Maybe I'm gonna hear something new and try that one out too. Now, cleaning off with the water is a little bit challenging because I do not have a shower handle that you can take off, not in this shower, but this is my solution. I'm just using a little bucket and I'm going to pour it all over until it's all clean. Usually what I would do, I would just step in the shower when I'm ready to take a shower, use some old flip-flops, and I would just clean it all around. But here how it looks afterwards. Look, it's all clean, sparkly clean, and I love it. It was so easy to do, and after doing it once a month, you can just upkeep with a not so aggressive cleaning solution, and you'll be all set, and your shower would look nice. Now for the shower door, what I'm using is that Lysol spray that I showed you at the beginning. I sprayed all over the door, and I'm using Barkeeper's Friend to put it on my brush, and I'm just scrubbing it away. What I'm doing over here is just taking cloth and a bucket of clean water, and I'm just cleaning off everything until it's all clean. Now you can also spray it with the shower from the inside. Like I said, I don't have the shower handle that you can take off, so for me this is the easiest way to do it. Next step is to take a new clean cloth and just buff it all up and make sure there's no streaks and it's perfectly clean. And this is totally optional step. I just like to do it because when I'm almost done, I really like it to be sparkly clean. From the outside, I like to spray it with spray away cleaning product, and for me this product is hands down the best for cleaning mirrors or windows. It doesn't leave any streaks and it's so easy to clean, and I like the smell. And here it is, guys, the finished product. Look how sparkly, clear, clean this door is. I love it. I also love how my shower is all clean, and I can't wait to use it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It's gonna tell me that you guys enjoyed this type of video so I can make it more. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Share this video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye, guys.